Hi, this is Dr. Raker with Arklatex Health Center, and let's do a little note for businesses. If you own a business and you want to know how to decrease your healthcare expenditures, let's go over some ways that you could possibly decrease healthcare expenditures. Number one, if you don't have health matching accounts for your employees, this could be a great way to reduce healthcare expenditures. Every dollar that you put in there, a percentage of that gets matched by a bank, and the matching money is tax-free. The good news is the matching amount goes up every month from 10% the first month, 20% the second month, all the way up to 350% the 35th month. That's a lot, and it's tax-free money, but you can use that for any healthcare related things, even things that insurance doesn't normally cover, like DOT physicals, drug screens, hearing tests, all your occupational needs. So your HMA the free money from your HMA could pay for all your occupational health expenditures. That would save you a lot of money as a business. Number two, if you're a business in this area where we can talk about doing stem cell injections for torn rotator cuff injuries of the shoulder or degenerative knees. The state of Arkansas passed a law in 2017 that all the state employees of Arkansas will get stem cells for their bad knees. They did some math and they said, hey, if someone's going to get knee replacement surgery, it's $60,000. They have to spend about 6 weeks off work going through rehab. We don't know at the end of that 6 weeks if they're still going to be able to do their job or not, so they may be medically retired or disabled, and anywhere along the way they can get a post-op infection which can be life-threatening. So for $60,000 and all this time in trouble, you don't even know if you're going to get your employee back. Now with stem cells, it's one simple shot. Stem cells are put into the affected area, knee, shoulder, and it will take months for it to heal, but it's a simple shot. There's no surgery. There's no downtime. You really don't even have to do a lot of rehab, and you get to keep your employee. If it works, you've got a great new employee with a good shoulder, a good knee, and he doesn't retire out early. You don't lose him. You don't lose his expertise. You don't have to train another person to go in, and you're not paying somebody overtime to do his job while he's gone. With the one simple injection, it's come in today, get injected, go back to work today. There's no downtime. The cost of the stem cell injections is about 10% of the surgery, or even less. On a $60,000 knee replacement surgery, you can get stem cells put in that knee for about $3,000 or $4,000. It's less than 10%. Even on a shoulder, like a rotator cuff injury, you're talking about a $30,000 surgery, and still stem cells about $3,000. It's only 1/10 the cost, and no downtime. The guy keeps working. You keep your employees, got hopefully a good shoulder if it all heals up good. So it's something to look at and think about. If the state of Arkansas is doing it, it's worth doing by everybody. The efficiency and the model is already there and proven.